Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is, what is it? Wednesday, July 17th. I've been off the entire month of July, getting a lot of work done around the house. We did a lot of work in the garage. We've got a big, huge cubby hole underneath the steps, and I haven't been in that thing in years because it's been, stuff in front of it. But I had an old Weber grill in there that we probably used once. An old exercise bicycle, a whole bunch of weights. So we took everything to Goodwill, put the grill out by the street, somebody took it. Even had chicken wire underneath there. I have no idea why we had chicken wire underneath there. Took all the shelves down in my shop, took my workbench out. Been patching up the drywall. Still got a lot more work to go, but we're making a lot of headway. The stuff I have in my garage now, I kind of want to keep it until we're ready to move. Every evening it's been rain like this. I always get stuck in the rain. I can't go far. There's rain behind me too, but you can see the shower, you can see the rain coming down every evening. I mean, it's in July. We've had rain like every day. One day Monday, we got like 3 inches of rain in like an hour. It just poured. But I went up to the house week ago tomorrow, and they're still waiting on windows. There's no windows. Apparently COVID shut everything down for a year. For over a year, it shut the world down. So now there's, the truck manufacturers, car manufacturers got hundreds of thousands of vehicles in their lots waiting for chips, like semiconductor chips, to run them. Hundreds of thousands of them all over the place. And I stopped by the motorcycle shop today, and they can't even get new motorcycles. Apparently all the ships come into California, and California is so freaky that they say, nope, turn them away. They turn them all away. They're afraid of COVID. But it's all open now. I saw a basketball state championship, hundreds of people in the stands. Nobody's wearing a mask, so I don't know how long ago that was that they rejected them for coming in. Crazy. I'm glad this crap's about over with. I've had my shots. Hopefully everybody's getting their shots, and if you don't, shame on you. You get sick and die, it's your own fault. I had the Pfizer, 0 side effects. My arm, I get it in the right arm because I use my right arm the most. So about 12 hours after the shot, my right shoulder got a little sore. You could feel it. But the second shot, nothing. No side effects whatsoever. Everybody that gets Moderna is sicker than a dog for a few days after that second shot. Just getting the wrong shot. Everybody that got Moderna is getting sick from it. I never got sick. My wife didn't get sick. And we're in our 60s. Oh, I'm in my 60s. She's just about 60. I don't know why we're getting so much rain. This is really kind of weird. For July, we're usually in a drought. Massive drought. And June, July, and August. I ride in the evenings once it cools off a little bit. Bye.